Things are heating up between Kanye West and Julia Fox, and these new PDA photos from their latest date night prove it. Kanye West and Julia Fox didn't hold back from packing on the PDA while out on a dinner date in Los Angeles on January 12. The two were photographed leaving a restaurant while holding hands. Julia wore a leather crop top and matching, low-rise pants, which put her massive back tattoo on full display. In another shot, her back was to the camera as she and Ye wrapped their arms around each other and leaned in for a kiss. Meanwhile, Kanye looked more casual in dark wash jean and a sweatshirt. Things have been heating up quickly between Kanye and Julia, who first met in Miami on New Year's Eve. Since then, they've been seen out and about a number of times together. Days after they were first linked, Kanye even dressed Julia for a photo shoot together, and she opened up about the budding relationship in an accompanying interview. "It was an instant connection," Julia gushed. "His energy is so fun to be around. He had me and my friends laughing, dancing and smiling all night." Related gallery. Julia Fox, see photos of the actress getting to know Kanye West. After connecting in Miami, Kanye and Julia took their romance to New York City, where they were photographed at a Broadway show and out to dinner. It was here that Kanye orchestrated a photo shoot just for her, and then surprised her with another epic gift. "Ye had an entire suite full of clothes, for me," Julia revealed. "It was every girl's dream come true. It felt like a real Cinderella moment." Earlier this week, Kanye and Julia were photographed wearing coordinating outfits while out in LA once again. Meanwhile, Kanye is still technically in the process of divorcing his ex, Kim Kardashian. However, Kim has moved on, as well. The reality star has been heating things up with Pete Davidson since October. Most recently, the two took a New Year's trip to the Bahamas, and then photographed having a low-key pizza date back in California. Kim also filed to be declared legally single from Kanye, asking a judge to terminate and bifurcate the pair's marital status as they work on finalizing the logistics of their divorce.